In 2025, peoplefone proudly celebrates 20 years of innovation in internet telephony. It all began in 2005 when Christophe Bode founded peoplefone in Switzerland. Our first USB phone made internet calling easy for everyone. Growth came quickly. Austria in 2006, Poland in 2007, Slovakia in 2008. In 2009, we launched the first VoIP app for iPhone. Android followed in 2010. In 2011, we shifted focus from residential customers to business customers, especially small and medium-sized companies. In 2012, we entered Lithuania market, and shortly after, we launched in Europe our own cloud-based PBX, peoplefone hosted, with all essential features and a smart auto-provisioning where phone devices can be configured with just a few clicks. Strong tech partnerships are in our DNA. In 2014, we team up with 3CX, and we're one of their top global partners, and offer a fully integrated system called peoplefone 3CX hosted. To provide optimal support for customers in our neighboring country, we also open a new affiliate in Germany in 2015. Always ahead of the curve, in 2018, we integrate with Microsoft Teams, enabling telephony via direct routing, and later, Operator Connect. Teams integration is now a core pillar of our unified communications offering. We open another neighboring country, France, with a new office in 2019. The pandemic in 2020 accelerates digital transformation. That year, we celebrate our 30,000th business customer across Europe. To keep up with growing demands, we open our development hub in Pune, India, in 2021. Our global team continues to expand. Over the years, our work has been recognized across Europe. In 2016, we were named as Best European VoIP Provider from TMT. In Switzerland, we've been on the Bilanz Telecom podium 12 times, including 6 times in first place. In Poland, we won a Forbes Diamond in 2022. And in Germany, we were named Top Company by Kununu in both 2022 and 2023. Today, we're active in 7 countries with over 100 employees. Our 2,500 installation partners are key to our success. We're proud of our strong team and startup spirit, still alive after 20 years. The future? We'll see. With strong partners and great employees, the story continues. We support our partners so they can offer the best and easiest communication for small and medium enterprises. Thank you for being part of our journey.